I'm Joe with Extreme Terrain, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 16-inch wheels and 305/70R16 tires on 2.5 to 4-inch lifted Sport, Sahara, Rubicon, or Unlimited TJs. In this video, I'm going to go over who this setup is going to be ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what you can expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 305/70R16 tires are the metric equivalent to a 33-inch tire, and the combination of 33-inch tires with 16-inch wheels are a popular setup among owners that have lifted TJs, as you can see from these pictures provided by TJ owners. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sport, Sahara, Rubicon, and Unlimited TJs that have a 2.5 to 4-inch lift without needing to do any additional modifications. This setup gives you an aggressive look with more capability if you want to go off-road. Customers running this setup are a mix of those who are driving on-road and those who also spend time with their Jeep off-roading. Running 33-inch tires on a 2.5 to 4-inch lifted TJ is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and moderate off-roading. This setup is free from rubbing any suspension components or the stock bumper. In off-road situations, you can expect to be free from rubbing while driving on trails and also during moderate rock crawling. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33-inch. When driving on-road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish with the 33 when drawing a comparison to the stock tire. Your speedometer will also read about 2 to 3 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of that change to bigger tires. This is not a big deal to most Jeep owners, just something to keep in mind when driving. This can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune. For those of you that own a 98 to 06 TJ, and for you 97 owners out there, you could use a Speedometer Gear, both of which can be found right here on the site. Again, this setup of 33-inch tires and 16-inch wheels is very popular with our customers who have TJs lifted between 2.5 to 4 inches. It will definitely provide a more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from Extreme Terrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your TJ. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then just have a jack and lug wrench for the install, and you'll have these on in no time. Also, if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.